Hi, my name is Suzette Tyree, and on October 25th, 2025, Jamaica was hit by a Category 5 hurricane. The hardest part of the island destroyed was the area that I grew up in. Our community of Slinton is very small, and we all know each other and consider each other family one way or another. Watching Melissa destroy almost everything in its path, my family and I decided we must do something. With the help of my sister, Demisha Forbes, brother Kevin Forbes, and cousin Deanette Bray, we decided to try and raise some funds to support our community. While trying to accomplish this, another friend, Kelly Mattern, suggested a GoFund page. I was a little apprehensive at first, but in the end decided it wasn't about me, but the people of Slinton. Our goal was small, but with the generosity of some amazing people, we were able to raise enough funds to supply some essentials. Electricity has been out since October to the affected areas, so we were able to purchase solar lights with charging station to distribute within the community. 5 families are now able to rebuild their homes with the materials that we were able to purchase. We choose the families that do not have the support of family members living abroad or able to be in the workforce. Electricity, I believe, is scheduled for May or June of 2026 to all areas. But as of December 25th, 2025, power has been restored to some part of the town of Black River, mainly the hospital and the police stations. It will be a while, I believe, before the areas outside of Black River receive power. So on your next trip to Jamaica, consider bringing a few solar lights for donation. At an all-inclusive resort, tip generously. Also, a big special thanks to 2 amazing contractors, Neil Ricketts and Bry Ebanks, for taking the time away from their busy schedules to help us with this special project. Thanks again for everybody for your generosity and all the best for the New Year's.
Library mashup. How was the library? Right here, son?
Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Oh, that's the
Courthouse. Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh, it literally fell right in.
Yes. I don't know what was there, but that's gone. Look on that side, sis.
Dr. Brown place gone.
Look at.
Oh, wow.
The Bible I saw the cutting at 2, you know.
That's all the Dr. Brown.
Yeah.
Him dead before this happened. He should have been dead in
Oh, Jesus.
We have video.
Wow.